All right, so basically, we finally got home. What time we get home? 6:30? Like 6:30 this morning. So I went straight to bed. Shit, I was tired, and actually started getting it all unloaded. Now it's pretty much all out. But I just wanted to show y'all what all we got. Um, we did get an Rb25, actually two of them. One's a Rb25 Neo, DET Neo, and the other one's Rb25 DET Series 2, I believe. So, yeah, let me show y'all what we got so far.
No enseñes para allá porque es pura.
Sí, güey. Alright, so, oh shit. That shit blurry as fuck. There we go. So we got the block. That is the Neo head, right? The Neo head. That's valve covers. We got one stock turbo manifold.
Two stock turbo.
I don't know where the other one's at though.
Behind the fucking fence.
Oh, right there. Yeah. That's one stock turbo. Downpipe on that one. I think CX Racing downpipe on this one too. And then we got some eBay turbos, like a AR70, I believe. I don't remember what it was. Then Rb25 transmission, stock exhaust manifold, stock intake manifold, alternator, the second part for the intake manifold, got a clutch, pressure plate, timing covers, clutch disc, computer, wiring specialties harness for S14, which is awesome. This right here is alone worth some money. Extra Freddy intake, which looks like it's been painted and got tossed around a shit ton, literally. Then we got CX Racing's transmission mount, engine mount, mass airflow intake piping. Now, I know there was a wastegate somewhere. I don't know where it went. I didn't even get to see what kind of wastegate it was. I believe, yeah, it was, it looked like a tile. Then we got the LS coils conversion kit for the Rb25. Brand new LS2 coils that are gonna be going on there. Besides that, oh, there goes the other Freddy intake panel down there. Then pop your trunk, homie. And when I told y'all last night, like, this shit was a bitch to get out. It was, or a bitch to get in. It was a bitch. Like, we fucking destroyed this car. Fucking had my block sitting in here, transmission, and who knows, about 100 parts. Then we got this engine in the back still, which I have no idea how we're gonna manage to get that out. But we're gonna get it out somehow.
I was telling him we might have to take the fucking
But yeah, it was hell of a struggle. And that's why I really didn't record at the buddy's house where we bought it from, because we was trying to figure out how we was gonna get it all to fit. But regardless, we got it all in and we got it all back home. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna have a lot of content for y'all, hopefully coming soon. It's gonna be fun, and it's gonna be a challenge. I mean, oh, there goes the other manifold. I was looking for that. It's gonna be a fun diagnosing, because you can never have a perfect swap. Diagnosing, figuring things out, and making stuff work. But yeah, look, this is the manifold I was talking about. CX Racing exhaust manifold, single turbo. It's a pretty good manifold, so that's awesome. We got a lot of stuff for a really, really good price. Drive shaft, brand new intercooler back there somewhere. But yeah, it was a good price.
And it first to be 6.
Yeah, this one right there. That's 6.
Oh yeah. And this is not the. This is for the coals.
That's the LS coil conversion.
Yeah. You said it was the hardness, but alright.
Oh, sure. Oh, it's somewhere in here.
But alright.
Where the fuck did it go anyways?
Look at all this shit.
Oh, it's in here. It's right here, look.
I got two.
One's a Neo computer and one's the Rb25
Okay.
computer.
You got RB25.
But anyways, let me get back to y'all. So that's pretty much my update, and I'll probably be updating y'all with more on this build. We're still working on Ivan's motor and on my Rb26, which I bought me some stuff so I can continue. I bought me another compressor, so now I can cut my sheet metal without having to go to my brother's. And then finish welding my wheel tubs in, which I'm sure y'all will see that video here soon, and my lens is really dirty. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.